Hello, here we are. Now you're not going to guess where we are. Scotland!
Yay.
Hello.
We're at Charlotte Square, which is the starting point for our hop-on, hop-off experience.
Yes, we've already had quite an experience.
We have.
Climbing the hills of Edinburgh in the rain. Oh, and I haven't shown you the steps up to our flat yet, but you'll know why I'm moaning now in a minute.
Because it was supposed to be a 15-minute walk. What they didn't mention was that it was all uphill.
So we feel like we've climbed Scotland now, really. That's that done.
We have, yeah. So we're going back to the apartment now, so that's that.
So hop on, hop off bus today, and it's raining. So this is Scotland. Bear with us. We took a bus on the Edinburgh Tour route back to stop 1 and switched to the city sightseeing tour. There are free tours run by the same company, and the one ticket costing £16 covers them all. There are also 48-hour tickets that run from whatever time of day you buy them, costing £24.
We are. We've got the umbrella up because it's raining a lot.
Got wet ones because the seats are already wet.
Yeah.
I don't know.
People are struggling to get down the stairs past us to get back in.
Yeah, so
I think they're making the right decision.
it's getting worse by the second. We're going to be drenched.
We are, I think.
So glad you didn't go to the Caribbean.
Yeah, me too. Oh, that would have been awful.
Really bad.
Of course, COVID was still a factor.
We're in a bit of a predicament because we haven't got headphones, so we don't know where we are. And it's tipping it with rain, so we want to stop somewhere where there's shelter. And yeah,
There's no spaces to stay.
there isn't.
We're in the full brunt of the Scottish weather.
We are.
Can't say I'm loving it.
It's brilliant.
So, highly recommended. 10
Yeah.
out of 10.
Yeah, exactly.
So, welcome back to Edinburgh. It's a beautiful day.
It is absolutely stunning. Anyone would think it was a different day, wouldn't they? Oh, it is.
It is a beautiful day. We got rained out yesterday. It was absolutely horrendous.
It even made the news, didn't it? Yeah.
Faye and Dan get rained out. That was the news, wasn't it?
Not quite so precise,
Okay,
but
maybe
yeah.
maybe the weather made the news.
Yeah.
But a lovely day, and we can't wait to enjoy it and see Edinburgh at its best.
Drawn once more to the castle and its beautiful lookout, the Royal Mile is irresistible. Back down aptly named Castle Hill to explore.
What looks like a striking Victorian church is in fact a 4-room venue. There's a cafe, so it's worth a look inside.
There are plenty of gift shops to pick from cashmere to kilts. Edinburgh has everything a tourist heart could possibly desire.
St Giles Cathedral is an imposing building in Old Town Edinburgh. Built in the 14th century, it houses some beautiful stained glass.
We had heard exciting rumours of delicious pies at the Pie Maker just off Edinburgh Old Town.
Morning. Oh yeah.
Can I have a tatty dog? Take away, please. No, thank you.
No, thank you. Yes, a steak Scotch pie, please.
That's lovely, thank you. So what you got there, Dan?
So I've got a Scotch pie.
Ooh, so you're getting it in the shop. Looks tasty.
Can't get more Scottish than the Scotch pie, apparently. So it's supposed
there you
to be. So it was from the pie maker. You saw us buy it.
Yeah.
There you go.
Look, watch out for gravy spillage.
Yes, I know. I'm slightly nervous. I'm going to use this as a.
It's been bubbling
as a
out in the
plate.
oven,
yes,
isn't it?
Yes.
Oh, it does look tasty. What's the nice gravy?
Really good actually. So it's steak, onion, gravy,
Lovely.
in pastry. All looks good.
And how much was it?
I'm not sure. It was like
£5.99.
£2.70.
Oh,
that
really?
was it.
That cheap?
Yeah, it was £2.70 and I think
Wow.
yours was £2.25.
Ah, and what's mine?
We'll find
Keep
out
watching.
in a minute.
So I've got a tatty dog.
That sounds really good.
Yeah, if you haven't heard of a tatty dog, it's hash brown wrapped around a hot dog. It's a little bit greasy.
So no pastry. Is it good?
Good. It's a good gluten-free option.
Don't get many of those,
I really like that.
do you?
Yeah, that's really yummy.
So have we got to go back for me to get one now?
No,
Oh,
it's
okay.
for your hard luck. So how much was this, did you say?
I think it was £2.25.
Ooh, so mine was more. They
Yeah,
know.
what? No, mine was £2.70.
Oh.
Yeah,
Yum, yum.
really good. Okay.
Heading the full length of High Street onto Canongate Street leads you to the Scottish Parliament and the Palace of Holyrood, the other end of the Royal Mile to the castle. The pretty streets are well worth the walk.
Edinburgh always has just one more pretty street to see. Expect to find your last legs.
Where are we going?
Nope. It's so exciting to be at the start of a road trip around Scotland. Subscribe so you don't miss a thing. In the coming weeks we will explore Edinburgh City come rain or shine, the Royal Yacht Britannia, we will sample Scottish food, whisky and sweets, stunning Glencoe, the Isle of Mull and a hairy Q hunt, beautiful Oban and much more.